In this video, you'll learn how to log into Taskrabbit. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to access your account quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.taskrabbit.com and press the Enter key. This action will direct you to the Taskrabbit homepage, where you can access the login feature. Once the home page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There you will see a button labeled Sign Login. Click on this button to proceed to the next step in the login process. After selecting the Sign Up Login button, the new menu will appear. In this menu, click on the option that says Login. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your account details. Now, you will see fields prompting you to enter your credentials. In the first field, labeled Email, type in the email address you used to register your Taskrabbit account. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, move to the second field, which is labeled Password. Type in your password associated with your account. Be cautious while entering this information, as passwords, once you have filled in both the email and password fields, locate the button that says Login and click on it. This action will submit your credentials for verification. If your login information is correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your tasks and view your account details. If you encounter any issues, double check your email and password for accuracy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.